Yo, Sakafet, I am back with another video. Today I am going to show you how to create realistic guitar melody in FL Studio 25. Burna Boy just dropped his new album and we can find some good guitar melodies on it. That shows again that Afrobeat guitar melodies are still trending. So let's create a dope one. Set our tempo. I'm gonna go with 90. And first plugin is gonna be the adjective key. And let's use the Mark 1. And preset is gonna be the real stereo. So we do a simple chord progression today, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all. Okay, let's record. That's it. That's it. A pretty simple chord progression. Sorry. Now we are going to create the guitar melody. To do so, I am going to use Omnisphere. So with Omnisphere, you will find some crazy nice guitar preset from the extension. Let's use the Sonic extension Nylon Sky. With this extension, when you use a guitar, you see we have this guitar and you have different scene. So with this, I think the reverb is too. Okay, let's try to create the melody now. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. And we do the same thing. Okay, right. That's it, and then we duplicate it. That's the base of the guitar melody. Now we are going to add a tap. That means some melody. For this one, I am going to use the first one. Nice. Okay, maybe we do 1/3 step. That's nice. Now I'm going to use the SC20 retro color just to add some to it. Let's remove the noise, distort it a little bit, and then okay. And I wanna add another reverb. Maybe let's use the little plate. This is one of my favorite reverb. I get it for free. It was for free. And then now we are. Now let's clone this one, and then we're gonna try to add more melody. And to do so, I'm going to use another extension. Let's use the undercurrent, and I'm gonna go with maybe. Let's see if we can find maybe some. Let's go to keyboard. See what we can find. Normally, I'm going. Okay. and then we duplicate it. Boom, we have this. I think we can add more reverb on the guitar. Let's go. Okay, on this one we can turn it, let's call this one guitar mellow, and then we call this one guitar. Sorry, I can rename them after. So this one is going to maybe try to find some noise. I see that we have some texture, playable texture. We have some noise. Let's see if you can find something. Okay. That sounds crazy fire and I love it. Now we are going to jump into adding maybe some drum. Let's go to the Afrobeat mini stash. You can get this one, guys. I'm gonna be linking it in the description box. So go to Afro Percussion. I think I want this 2x6 so we can have a vintage vibe, like. Ooh, that's a vibe already. So we are going to combine it with all the percussion so we can have something that sound more complicated, but it's a pretty simple vibe. I think I mouse this one. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay. Okay, now we go to kick. We are going to use let's use Mina so we can have this, like, sorry. And now we add some conga. Let's go to conga. We add this one. And then let's go back to perc. We use the flute one. And then that's crazy fire. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Afro chill and use this shaker. Okay, so we go and then we cut this right there. Okay, now we add the sub boom bass. I wanna add something that sounds like a conga, but it's gonna be a bass just to bring more depth to the instrumental. Let's go to the sub boom bass. And this beat is going to be on my instrumental channel. Okay, let's go to manager. Oh, okay. All right. Nice. The beat is basically done now. I think I wanna add some vocal chop and maybe 1 or 2 vocal chop for now, because I really love to add my vocal chop when I'm making the arrangement. So let's go to a splice and then see if we can find something. Okay, I might use this one for now, and then after we can definitely try to find more. So this one is on G sharp, and I think we are on A minor plus 100. Everything sounds good. Now it's time to add the bass. We can use something from Ckay keys, yeah. And we use this preset called key bass. I created this preset, not created, I just customized it so I can have a bass. And then this one is gonna be F. No, okay, that's fire. Like boom, 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 and then we go like down this. We go to G, I think. Yeah. That's fire. That's fire. Ooh. Hey. And then now we can add a drum fill. Let me use something from the Afrobeat Essential Bundle Volume 2, maybe drum fill. I'm gonna add this one, but I want to transpose it maybe 2 or 3 semitone because I want something dark. That's fire. That's fire. I love it. And let's add a crash. That's it. Thanks for watching. You can see how easy it is to create those realistic guitar melody in FL Studio 25. I'm going to go off camera, make the arrangement, and then play the final vibe for you. Also, if you want to listen to the full beat, it's gonna be linked in the description box. So enjoy.